Hi girls and boys. Today we're going to make a craft. We're going to make a Brontosaurus, which is a type of dinosaur with a very long neck. What you're going to need: a white paper plate. I'm using green crayon, but you're welcome to use marker. And you can use a toilet paper roll or a paper towel roll. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the paper plate and fold it in half. You're going to take your scissors and cut it right in half. Now for the really long neck, I went ahead and drew this. This is just with a pencil. You go down, follow the paper plate, and then you make the head. Now if you want to go butt up against where you were before right here, we're going to make the tail the other direction. It'll all make sense once we cut this out. Now we have all the pieces to make a dinosaur. I'll show you what it's like before we use the green paper. And then we're going to put these on to help support it. So are we ready to trace? Here we go. Now this is going to be the finished product. This is the green paper plate. All I did was I used a green crayon and I colored the entire plate green. Here's the body of the Brontosaurus. Here's the head and the neck. And here we're going to have the tail. You can use a stapler if you have a stapler, or you can use glue, or like I have rubber cement. And you're going to put glue on the head and a little bit on the tail. And while you're waiting for that to dry, or like I said, you can use a stapler. We're going to cut this toilet paper roll. You want this to be about the same size. So line it up. You might need parents to help you with some of this, especially with the cutting. Then I'm going to put little slits. Not all the way, just little ones. I only made slits about as long as my fingernail is. And I'll show you what the finished product will look like. looks pretty nice. And you can make them different colors. I think I'm going to make a happy face on mine also. I'll make an eyeball and a smile because my dinosaur's pretty happy. So there you have it, your dinosaur. And on Friday when we get together, we're going to have a dinosaur parade. So you're welcome to make a few of these that you can play on Friday. Thanks, boys and girls. See you Friday.